these are heavy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ali and today I've got a big Tonic Studios Black Friday haul to share with you with not one but 2 packages from their sale. They had some good deals on over Black Friday and Cyber Monday week, so I went a bit crazy. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. That really helps my channel, and also subscribe to see more videos like this because I post videos like this all the time. Without any more waffle, let's start opening these parcels. I'm going to start with the smaller parcel, which is actually the second order that I placed. So this was one of the Black Friday bundles they had. In the bundle was a bunch of their foiled Kraft card. I think it was about £8 for all of these, which there is a lot. So you get the foiled Kraft card in golden Quatrefoil, which is black Kraft card, 280 GSM, and it's got this gold pattern foiled on top of it. There are 5 sheets in that pack. Then there is a pack of brown Kraft card in 280 GSM. You get 10 sheets in here. That's really handy. I'll go through that really fast. There is a pack of silver Damask foiled Kraft card. This one is silver foil, again 280 GSM and 5 sheets. There's a pack of Greyboard, which says here it's ideal for mixed media. It's also really good for making gift boxes. This is 600 GSM, so it's super chunky and 1mm thick, and you get 5 sheets again in there. There's also this foiled Kraft card in rose gold blossom. The pattern on there is like a really delicate floral. Really nice. And super rose gold, really pretty. Again, 5 sheets at 280 GSM. Then we have the golden Polkadot, which I think this is the only one I already have, but it's a really nice everyday pattern. Again, that one is 280 GSM and this is black Kraft card. And the last one is the golden Zig Zag, which is brown Kraft card with gold chevron foil on top. Again, 5 sheets. So I think all of these together were about £8. I think they're probably worth about 30 they retail for. I thought that was a really good deal. Really like Tonic's card as well. They make really nice quality cards, so always good to have more of that. This is another paper bundle. This one is a bit different because it's a specialty paper bundle. So you get 3 packs of their specialty paper, and each one has got 5 designs. So that's probably a better way of showing you that. So you get Buried Treasure, Sweetheart Kisses, and Champagne Reception. And each of these has got 5 different papers in. So let's have a look at this one. So this is Buried Treasure. You've got this really nice foliage pattern, and these are all like super 3D. Really lovely bronzy colour. Oh, actually you get 2 of each. So each pack has got 10 sheets and 2 in 5 different designs. So you get 2 of those. And there's this one that looks a bit like a dragon scales, I would say. And there's a floral one, like a champagne colour. And then this silver one, which looks a bit like tiles. And then at the back, there's another silver one. I'd say that looks kind of like tiles. They're really 3D, these, really nice. Then we've got Sweetheart Kisses. So you've got this pink one on top with the little hearts. That's really nice. Then there is this one, which is tiny little hearts. And it's sort of like orangey pink. That's really pretty. I really like that. Hang on, let's go in for a close-up. You can see that a little bit better. It's really nice. It catches the light. Lovely. 2 of those. Then there's this floral one that looks a bit like lace. And then there's another heart one. This one's grey with bigger hearts. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? And then there's a white one at the back, which is like... This reminds me of like styrofoam, but obviously a much prettier version. So that's the Sweetheart Kisses pack. And then the last one is the Champagne Reception. So we've got this dragon scaly one again. There's this one, it's like a purple gold duochrome. That's really pretty. Really like that one. That might be my favourite actually. And there's this pink sort of abstract ripply one. It's lovely. And then we've got the white styrofoam one again. That's okay because you can use that for a lot of things. This would be really nice for like wedding and engagement cards, I reckon, that one. And then at the back there's a cream floral one, like ivory floral. So yeah, very nice. These were a really, really good deal compared to the regular Tonic prices. I wouldn't say their cardstock and paper are expensive, but these bundles worked out at a big saving, like 60% off or more. I will put the prices in the description box for what I paid because I can't remember off the top of my head. But so that was my second order, my smaller order. They kept adding new deals throughout the week, which is why I didn't order all of this stuff in one go because those things weren't available when I ordered this big order. So this is the first thing. This is the 14 by 14 inch Easy Clean craft mat. I really wanted another craft mat because my one has got all like sticky stuff stuck to it, so I quite fancied another one. And also this is quite big. 14 inches is quite a large surface area, so I wanted one that was a little bit bigger than what I have, so that will be very handy. There's also this box, so let's get this open. I think this order was about £105. But I got really into their glitter pastes and embellishment mousse and went a bit overboard when they were on sale on Black Friday. So. Woohoo! Oh yeah, look at all this. All these goodies in here. Wow. Okay, so first thing I can see on the top here is their spatulas. I've only got plastic spatulas, so I really wanted some of their like silicone flexible ones, and these were like on special offer, so I thought they would go perfectly with all the other bits and bobs in this box. Then I got a lot of these embellishment mousses. I've got one. This is the one I have already in the colour Mother of Pearl. Looks like this, kind of like a creamy colour. I think I just catapulted a bit of it across the room, but pretend that didn't happen. And I got a bunch of other colours to try. So I've got citrus green, which is like this super nice, well, it's citrus green, isn't it? I've got fresh copper, which is a coppery colour. Really lovely. I've got triple berry, which was like a dark pinky purpley colour. And another pink here, which is pink flambe, which I think is one of those sort of pink with a bit of flecks of orange in it, if you catch it in the right light. Also got Snowstorm, which is just like a classic white. Thought for doing like snow and stuff. There is Burnished Bronze, which is more of a bronzy, darker colour, so it's quite different compared to the copper. More of a burgundy. I've got Honeydew, which is like a pale, really, really pale mint green colour. And the last one is Lemon Sorbet, which is a pale yellow. So I think I've got almost all of the colours now, but not all of them. After I bought those, they actually ended up having a bundle of all of the embellishment mousses later in the week, but I don't think it was that much cheaper than buying them individually. So I didn't work it out because I didn't want to know. What else do we have in here? There is a bottle of Nouveau Glitter Accents. This one I just got in the like white because I thought would be really good. Yeah, so this is Fresh Snowfall. I thought this would be really good for doing snow. I've not tried this before, so I think I only got one colour just to test it out and see if I liked it. Also, there is some of these glitter pastes. I was hoping they'd have more on offer, but I don't think they did. So this one is the Glacier Paste in the shade Mambo Melon. It's like a really, really bright pink, that one. The Nouveau Glacier Paste in Mambo Melon. I've not tried the Glacier Paste before, but I have tried the glitter. Glimmer paste. So I don't know what the differences are between the two. I think maybe this one has got more glitter and this one is more like shimmer. But I'm excited to try them out and find out what the difference is. So I got that one, and then I got also this colour. This colour is called Pink Icing, and it's more of a like pale pink. There is a paler pink than this, I think. But I think I just preferred this colour. Then there's the Glacier Paste in Winter White. Thought I'd better get a white one because, you know, always a handy colour to have. And then the last Glacier Paste I got is Pineapple Delight, which is like another pale yellow. That's really nice. I thought that'd be really nice for nice summery cards. It does remind me of pineapples. So that's all the Glacier Pastes. So I did get one Glimmer Paste and I got it in Moonstone. I do think that quite a lot of them are out of stock, so I don't know if they're discontinuing these, but this is just like a white / clear glitter one. You can't really see it that well. Yeah, so there's like some iridescent glitter in there. Very pretty. But yeah, that kind of colour is always a staple. What else is in here? So we've got 2 loose drops here. This one is the Nouveau Stone Drops in Chalk White. I don't think I have any Nouveau Drops in white, so I thought I'd get white ones. I quite often go to reach for white and I don't have it, so I thought while it was on offer, I'll get one of those. And then I've also got the Nouveau Crystal Drops in Red Berry. I wanted some to do like berries on Christmas cards, so that's why I got that one. It's a nice colour for doing holly. Now I've got a couple of bundles in here as well. I'm going to look at what the loose things are in the bottom. So these are the Tonic metal sheets in Copper Kettle. So I think these are meant for die cutting, but I've not tried these before. You get 5 sheets of A4, 0.07mm thick, so they're super thin. And I thought they looked really pretty. They did have all the different colours on offer, but they were actually quite expensive, so I thought I'd give them a go and see if I like them before getting loads of them, because I tend to go for copper when I pick my colours anyway, because I just think that's nice. So that's the actual colour of the product there. It's very pretty. There's also some Tonic Smooth card in black. Can always do with more black card, and I didn't have a lot, so I got one of these. I think it was only £1, so it's got to be worth it. So these are 2 more bundles. I'm going to take these out of the box. So these are 2 more of their bundles, their Black Friday bundles, and they've obviously packaged them all up beforehand, I guess, to speed up the workflow for them. So we'll look at the Nouveau Drops set first. So this was a pre-selected colour range of Nouveau Drops. So you get 6 in here, and I think this was like £5.50 something, so they work out mega cheap. This one is Nouveau Crystal Drops in Metallic Pink Orchid. It's a really pretty colour. Nouveau Glitter Drops in Pink Champagne, that one, so that's more of a glittery one. Nouveau Glitter Drops in Purple Rain. That's got some pink glitter, some blue glitter, I think a little bit of purple glitter as well. Glitter Drops in Emerald City. Now this one looks more blue, but I think it might be green when you actually use it, judging by the fact it's called Emerald City. They did have demo pictures on the site and they don't really look like the same in the bottle. So there's also Crystal Drops in Apple Green. There's 2 different types of crystal drops. So this is the metallic version and this is the gloss version. The metallic have sort of a sheen to them and the gloss are just, they don't have any sparkle. So it does say on the name, it says gloss in the name, so you can tell. And then the last one is Crystal Drops Gloss in Calming Aqua. That's that one. Some nice colours there. And the very last thing is some of their 6x6 card packs. Now this was a really good deal. So when I saw that, I was like, gotta go for that. So in this box you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of their 6x6 packs. So you do get rather a lot. So let's go through them. You get Dream in Colour, which is 160 GSM, 8 designs, double-sided. You get Blue Blossom, which is again 160 GSM, 8 designs. black and gold, which is 280 GSM foiled craft cards. So these are like the small versions of some of the bigger sheets I've got. It's nice to have them in a smaller pack though, I think. Get Tropical Paradise, which is 160 GSM, 8 designs. Merry and Bright, which is the one I already have, but it's a nice everyday Christmas one, so I would probably end up using a whole pack of this one anyway. Again, 160 GSM. Silver Jubilee foiled craft card. So this is some more of their 280 GSM craft card. Some of these I didn't get in this bundle, so that's always nice. Got the Tropical Paradise mixed card pack, which is, there's different weights in here, but it ranges from 230 to 250 GSM, and there's actually a holographic one in here, pearlescent and mirror card, so that's cool. I guess that goes with the paper pack. There is Woodland Walk. I remember when this one came out, it was like the first collection I discovered Tonic, and I really wanted it. Now I have it! This was 160 GSM. And then Autumn Maple, so this is all pearlescent card. All 250 GSM in 4 different colours, and it looks like it's got some kind of texture as well. So this, I remember this being a really, really good deal for their card packs. Not that I actually needed any more 6x6 pads, but this should keep me busy for a while, don't you think? So that's really everything I can fit in the shop. I hope you enjoyed my Tonic Studios haul. If you want to see me try any of these products, please leave me a comment and let me know, and I will do that, or I'll try to. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel because I've got another Black Friday craft haul coming very soon. I've also got another massive AliExpress haul coming really soon. If you watched my last AliExpress haul, I just want to say thank you so much for the great response to that video. I've had tons of views, tons of comments, lots of new subscribers that have come to my channel because of it, and that's really exciting because those are some of my favourite videos to make. If you are a new subscriber, please leave me a comment and let me know where you're from and something about yourself. I'd love to get to know you a little bit more. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you back here on my channel again soon. Bye!